Introducing Yunseong FA's key equipment models. Terminal Insertion Machine. Our terminal insertion machine automatically inserts terminals into PCBs, following programmed sequences and orientations. The system can be equipped with multi-pin insertion tools capable of inserting multiple pins simultaneously. It supports both press-fit pins and standard terminals. Controlled via touchscreen monitor and PC interface, terminals are supplied in real format, and the machine features real-time detection capabilities to verify component insertion status. On the left, you see our 3-head model, the M-3000T, while the right features our 4-head configuration, designated as the M-4000T. Here you can see the key sensor system used for precise PCB thickness measurement. Force monitoring system. Our force monitoring system converts force and load variations into electrical signals through load cells, which serve as the core components of this monitoring technology. The graph on the right provides a visual tool for monitoring force changes throughout the insertion process. A consistent graph pattern indicates proper insertion, while irregular patterns signal potential insertion errors that require immediate attention. Odd-form component insertion machine. Next, we present our odd-form component insertion machine. This equipment automates the insertion of various odd-shaped components that have traditionally relied on manual labor. Featuring a gantry-style configuration, the system includes a horizontal bridge mounted on multiple supports, allowing the equipment head to move along X, Y, and Z axes. Depending on component types, feeding systems include bowl feeders, stick feeders, or tray feeders. Primary applications include transformers, relays, connectors, resistors, capacitors, and other standardized components. The left bottom image shows a PCB with various inserted components, while the right displays our odd-form component insertion machine alongside bowl feeders. Introducing the Yunseong Mini Fuse Insertion Machine, designed for precision and speed. With an insertion speed of 0.5 seconds per component, it ensures rapid processing for J-box sizes up to 250 mm. The efficient bowl feeding system enhances productivity, while its compact dimensions and weight of 1,700 kilograms make it a powerhouse on the production floor. Operating at a table speed of 22.5 meters per minute, it optimizes air consumption, delivering exceptional performance in every cycle. Mini Fuse Insertion Machine. Let me introduce our Mini Fuse Insertion Machine. This automated system inserts various fuses and relays into automotive electrical junction boxes following programmed sequences. Our standard configuration accommodates up to 6 insertion heads, though we offer custom designs tailored to specific customer requirements. Optional configurations include force monitoring systems, barcode reading capabilities, and other advanced features. Here you see fuses inserted into a fuse box, alongside our actual mini fuse insertion machine in operation. This is our servo motor-driven microfuse head. Utilizing load cells and servo motors, it offers adjustable insertion height control. Our load cell-based force monitoring functionality is shown here. The right side displays the force measurement graph, providing real-time feedback. The machine is available in both single-stage and dual-stage configurations and supports multi-insertion operations. Crimping machine now. Our crimping machine. This equipment crimps terminals onto flexible PCBs, FPCBs. Due to the flexible nature of FPCBs, dedicated jigs are required. The system performs complete operations including crimping, inspection, OKNG sorting, separate discharge, and automatic jig return. The top image shows multiple crimping machines arranged in a production line, while below you can see materials and FPCBs with crimped terminals. This is the crimping machine insertion tool. The clinch mechanism is servo motor controlled for precise height, pressure, and speed adjustment. Load cell monitoring enables graph-based zone settings for real-time supervision during crimping operations. The tool features an integrated camera for coordinate correction and barcode recognition. Process sequence. Here's the operational sequence. FPCBs are placed on dedicated jigs, materials are supplied, and crimping is performed. Used jigs are automatically returned to their original positions via conveyor systems. Header pin insertion machine. This is our header pin insertion machine, which applies controlled force to insert header pins. Featuring a gantry structure, the system includes sensors for detecting individual header pin presence, PCB seating verification sensors, force monitoring systems, and servo press mechanisms. These images show power supply PCBs, control PCBs, and various pin configurations. 4-pin, 16-pin, and 20-pin headers connect between the power supply and control PCBs, establishing electrical connections. Connector press equipment. Allow me to introduce our connector press equipment. This system bonds press-fit connectors to PCBs using servo press technology. Simply load the PCB and connector, press the start button, and barcode reading occurs automatically. Quality consistency is ensured through force monitoring and 3D pin position height inspection. This fully automated equipment bonds press-fit connectors to PCBs using servo press technology. Designed as a complete automation solution, it enables real-time monitoring of insertion torque and distance through force monitoring during the press-fit process. Automatic connector and PCB loading significantly reduces per-unit production time, enhancing overall productivity. These slides show the connector press operational sequence. PCB router machine. Our PCB router features automatic inline feeding and discharge systems with intuitive touchscreen control. The configuration diagram appears as shown on screen. Through PC-based control systems accessed via monitor, operators can easily manage equipment operations. The PCB router automatically receives PCBs via inline conveyor, positions them on dedicated jigs, then precisely cuts and separates products from scrap material using high-speed bits. Scrap is automatically sorted and discharged while finished products are conveyed out. An integrated dust collector removes residual particles from PCBs. The PCB router spindle is a high-speed rotating motor that mounts cutters, or bits, to perform the critical function of cutting and processing PCBs. Operating with low vibration, low noise, and high precision at speeds ranging from 6,000 to 10,000 RPM, it delivers clean, accurate PCB cutting.